Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Laugh with Freddy. Enjoy your video till the end and please don't forget to subscribe or click on the notification bell so that next time we upload another video of this kind, you'll be notified and be the first one to watch. In today's video, we'll talk about the accounting equation. The accounting equation that states that asset is equal to owner's equity plus liabilities. Asset is equal to owner's equity plus liabilities. Now let's try to understand what is this. What is asset, what is owner's equity, and what is liabilities? So asset is belongings or possessions of the business, or possessions or belongings of the business, which means everything that belongs or is for the business. For example, we have equipment, we have vehicles, we have cash. So all those items or things that belongs to the business, plus the building itself. Now if you look, this is our building, our supermarket. So the building is for the business, the cash, vehicle, equipment, those are all assets, things that belongs to the business. Okay, then owner's equity on the other hand is the owner's interest in the business. So why would this man be interested in this shop? Now so I am interested in this shop because I put in my assets, my cash. So the owner has made a contribution to the business, his cash to the business, which is called capital contribution. Now he is interested in this business because he made a contribution to this business. Owner's equity, the owner's interest in the business. Liabilities, money owed by the business to outside persons or business. Money owed by the business to outside persons or the business. Now if you are broke, or if you want to buy something for your business and you don't have enough money, like this guy, so you need to borrow some money. You need to borrow some money. So the bank will be able to borrow you money, to give you a loan. So liabilities is like loans and creditors. Money owed by the business or by yourself to outside persons, which is like to this bank, or business like this bank. All right. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching my show. I hope you have learned something about the accounting equation, which states that asset is equal to owner's equity plus liability. Please don't forget to subscribe, please, so that next time, part 2, I'm going to show you or to teach you how to fill in the missing figures on the accounting equation. That being said,